In today's video, I will quickly walk you through on how to stop your iPhone from updating files automatically on the iCloud. Maybe that is consuming your mobile data or is filling the storage so fast. Let's just get right into it. All right. So the first step is to tap on settings, okay? Once the settings app of your iPhone opens, tap on your name. Here, the name I use here is Godwin Richard, so I'll tap on it. As this opens, tap on iCloud. This will display the storage of, in terms of the number of files you have already uploaded on your iCloud, as well as under some other details. You can see save to iCloud. Okay, in that section, tap on see all. Okay, you can see iCloud Photos has 12 items. All right, that is different from the Photos app of your iPhone, and it's turned on. So you can see other apps. All right, you see Safari, you see the rest. But anyone you don't want the files on it to start backing up automatically on iCloud, toggle off the button by tapping on it. For example, Telegram is showing green, meaning that it backs up files automatically. So I'll tap on it for it to go off. Okay, so another way you can do that is getting to the main settings page. All right, so I'm on the main settings page right now. Then get to the individual apps that you know stores a lot of files. Example, the Photos app of my iPhone stores both pictures and videos, and they are large files. I wouldn't like to turn that on. Okay, so I'll tap on apps, then get to the application you want to toggle off the automatic backing up of files on cloud. Okay, on the iCloud. So you can see photos here. I'll tap on it. Then you can see iCloud Photos is toggled off, meaning that in this case, the files I have on my Photos app don't get backed up on iCloud automatically. Okay, if you have it like this, please turn it off. All right, you see it's turning on, but I will toggle it off immediately. Okay, good. Remove from iPhone. Beautiful. Remove from iPhone. Good. So I have toggled this off right now because I can't afford to be losing a lot of money through data subscription, internet data subscription. Then shared album, I can still tap on this to toggle it off. You say turning off shared album will delete all shared photos from your iPhone. No problem. Okay. So, but the main thing is this first option here, and you are good. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.